bit about the advancement of the technology system and design operation in Malaysia versus developed country. Every country in this world faces the pollution from industrial sector. So, Malaysia has its own technology and system which will manage the pollution from industrial sector like Arena Muhibah Sinar Berhad, which is the construction company we contact to get detail about the industrial of air pollution control. As we know, dry scrubber is a pollution control that has been used for the location construction for Arena Muhibah company and other company in this country. Moreover, the advancement of the dry technology system and design operation in Malaysia with other developed countries such as Belgium do not have many significant difference. On top of that, the technology and system engineers simply keep up the current air quality that can cut back the air pollutants. From year to year, we can see that the emission of pollutants from industrial processes is exaggerated from recording 23 million per ton to 40 million per ton. Even severe air pollution management is affected.
So I'm going to proceed our presentation with the main factors influence the efficiency of the system. A dry scrubber was used in the companies that we are interviewed. The efficiency of a dry scrubber system is determined by three general factors of characteristic. The first one is spray dryer absorbent. The first stage is to chill the exhaust gas in order to allow the treatment of the pollution easier. Spray dryer absorbent will reduce up to 99% of the hydrochloride and 95% of the sulfur dioxide from the second one is fabric filter. Extremely efficient and does not need any power to operate. Next one is electrostatic precipitators. Might also effectively remove particulate matter, but it can consume up to 4% of a power facility supply to generate its electrostatic charge. The last one is dry solvent injection. The success of this process is determined by filtering mechanism used. Dry solvent injection, when paired with fabric filtering, may filter up to 90% of HCl, which is hydrochloride, from
I want to present about advantage and disadvantage. Advantage for dry scrubber: first, cost saving, test equipment in the reduction of overall load on CFS, resulting in cost saving. Second, safeguarding the environment and benefit and economic union. Net producing dry material, conventional of handling. And finally, is effective in submicron particulate. For disadvantage, first, environment impact. Second, release harmful excess dust reduce. Discharge must be handled by professional. Net high temperature can cause damage to the dry scrubber. Finally, the potential risk to fire must be managed by an expert.
Which is the correlation with the theory. So our selected interviewed company is using dry scrubber technology, and it is related with the chapter 5 topic.
To improve the dry scrubber system in Malaysia. The first one, need to increase the uses of gas cooling, reagent injection and filtering. Emission gases are cooled in the gas cooling system to make it easy to remove pollutants and other contaminants from the gas. An evaporative cooler is used to dilute the exhaust gas. The reagent injection can commence once the gas has been sufficiently cooled. The hazardous components of the gas are really eliminated during this stage. The second one is the using more durable materials to prevent corrosion on the pipe. In construction, pipe in this system should ideally be made of a corrosion resistant material. Basically, the construction is exposed to outdoor weather, which allows the dry scrubber system to rusting if using non-durable materials. Last but not least, filtering bags with a low velocity of filtration. This plays a crucial function, which is it regulates the aluminum layer thickness in the bags, and as a result, the gas residents have through the layer porosity.
Future of environmental engineer. So first, they will involve in modeling and critical analysis, which they can examine the life cycle of proposed development, such as chemical plants, to determine what emissions will be produced during the manufacturing process. Next, they can monitor air quality and guarantee that necessary criteria are met. It is responsibility of environmental engineers who work for government agencies to monitor air quality and guarantee that necessary criteria are met. And finally, they get involved in design and construction of technology solutions. Further improvement of current system. So our selected company is using dry scrubber. The first one is from Hans Arpauer. The research is conducted in 2002, and he recommends that multiple irradiation with intermediate product scrubbing. Next is the research from Anne Marie Stomberg in 1988 too. And finally, from Fugate, he recommended the organization was able to improve the efficiency and reliability of the shaker dust collector operation by implementing sonic cleaning.